Hey guys, this is Tanu and welcome back to my channel. So if you have seen this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Tanu and I make videos about fashion, fitness and lifestyle related contents. So now please take a moment and please do subscribe to my channel as it will be really encouraging for me. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. You will get the link in my description. So today I'm going to review this product called Soulful Crunchy Millet Muesli. First thing first, I'm just going to give you a clear idea about the importance of a healthy breakfast. So what is the importance of a healthy breakfast? So the breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. Because it improves your energy level and ability to concentrate in short term, it helps in better weight management, it reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease in the long term. Now let's talk about this one, muesli. As we all know, it's a healthy and delicious alternatives to the unhealthy food items, and it's usually consumed for breakfast or brunch or healthy yet tasty mid-meal snacks. So millet muesli is an absolute blend of protein, fiber-rich nuts, dried fruits like cranberries, blueberries and raisins and oats, and most importantly, the different types of millets. So this is a 700 gram pack of crunchy millet muesli by Soulful, and the most important part of this product is about its ingredients. So more than 40% of this millet muesli has rolled oats, 22% of wheat flakes, 10% of ragi flakes, and filled with the goodness of almond, raisin, cornflakes, honey, which makes sure your mornings are going to be super fibrous and protein packed. And guys, there is one more very important thing I would love to talk about, that it has some little percentage of added sugar in it. As I'm extremely conscious and aware of these added sugar kind of things, so I always try to stay away from the products with added sugar. But this time I'm going to say something different, that in this pack the quantity of added sugar is so minimum that you don't need to worry about it at all. Like if you're consuming one serving of 30 grams in a day, then you're going to intake only 2.4 grams of sugar in one serving, which is not going to create any problem or health issues at all. Trust me. Just keep it in mind that you don't need to add more sweetener, may it be natural or artificial. Just stay away of that bowl of sugar. And the very positive thing about this product is, it does not contain any artificial color or flavor. So guys, just go ahead and try this super tasty breakfast item to make your every morning truly awesome. Just add 30 grams of this muesli to your bowl and pour 120 ml of skimmed milk, or you can replace that milk with yogurt or curd. Mix it well and enjoy the taste. So this 700 gram pack costs $4.99, but right now you'll get some good discounts on Flipkart and Amazon, and you will get all the links in my description. So don't forget to check out the description box if you're interested to kickstart your day in a healthy way. So guys, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel before you leave guys. And you can follow me on Instagram as well, and you will get the link in my description. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.